How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Open your Facebook app and look for 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner or top right if you're on Android. Tap on it. Scroll down a bit until you see Help and Support. Tap on it. Inside Help and Support, there's an option called Report a Problem. Click on that. Click Continue to report a problem. Choose Include because you want to give them more info. Now, you'll see a list of things to report. Select Marketplace. In the box, write something like my marketplace isn't loading, and I really need it fixed for my account. Hit the Send button at the top right. It's like posting your note. Now, let Facebook do its thing. Wait for a few minutes. Open your marketplace on Facebook and see if it's working now. If it's still not working, try this. Swipe down on your phone. Turn on airplane mode, then turn it off again. Go back to your marketplace once more. Hopefully, this time it's all good. And there you have it. Follow these steps, and hopefully, your Facebook Marketplace will be back to normal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. Wishing you the best day ahead.